In Indian astrology, which is also called Vedic astrology, we have a concept called Guru Balam. Guru Balam means strength of Jupiter. In astrology, Jupiter is considered as a divine force, and the strength of Jupiter is very much necessary in any natal chart. In fact, not only Jupiter, every other planet, Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Venus, Saturn, all these planets should be strong to give good results to a native. It's proved if any planet falls below its normal strength of 100%, the natives may not get good results from the planets falling below their normal strength. So, it is necessary for any planet to be in good strength to give good results to a native. But Jupiter has a special role in astrology as it is considered a divine force. If a particular natal chart contains Guru Balam, you can say the person is blessed. But what is Guru Balam? Guru Balam is not just mere strength of Jupiter. Jupiter may have more than 100% strength, indicating it is above its normal strength. That's good. But Guru Balam doesn't mean Jupiter just containing strength. No, Guru Balam means Jupiter, a strong Jupiter should influence the ascendant or Lagna and also its Lord by association or aspect. Then only you can say Guru Balam is there in a natal chart. But at least Jupiter, a strong Jupiter, should either be present in Lagna or at least should aspect the Lagna Lord or associate with the Lagna Lord. But a perfect Guru Balam means a strong Jupiter should be present in Lagna and also aspect or associate with the Lagna Lord. Then only you can say perfect Guru Balam is there in a natal chart. If Guru Balam is there in a natal chart, the native can be confident of receiving God's blessings in difficult times. Now you may ask, what is the benefit of Guru Balam? What is the benefit of a strong Jupiter influencing Lagna and its Lord through its presence in Lagna or through its association with the Lagna Lord or by its aspect on Lagna Lord? Guru Balam, as I explained earlier, Guru Balam means presence of God in the natal chart. God would always keep an eye on the native and try to protect him/her at all difficult times. For example, a person gets sick. For example, a person travels to a new place and lands in trouble. For example, a native is implicated in a false case, or a person gets into financial difficulties, or a person gets involved in an accident, or a person is wrongly implicated in a controversy. So, if Guru Balam is there in a natal chart, the native would definitely get some relief through the blessing of God. So Jupiter has such a power in a natal chart. It should be stronger. It should be not only stronger, having a strength of more than 100%, or more than having a strength of 6.5 rupas, and should also influence the Lagna and its Lord through its presence or aspect or association. That's very important. If you have minimum knowledge of astrology of natal charts, you can find out if Jupiter is present in Lagna or not, Jupiter is aspecting the Lagna Lord or not, if Jupiter is associated with the Lagna Lord or not. So far so good, that is okay. But how to find out if Jupiter has got normal strength of 100%? 6 types of strengths are there for every planet. When you apply the calculations on each and every planet, you will find out whether a particular planet has got the minimum strength of 100% or not. The 6 types of strengths are Sthanabala, Digbala, Cheshtabala, Kalabala, Drukbala and Naisargika Bala. When you work on all these 6 types of strengths, you will get final result of Shadbala. So each and every planet should have a minimum strength of 100%, or if you say in rupas, Sun, Mars, Saturn should have at least 5 rupees each. Moon should have 6 rupees. Mercury 7 rupees. Jupiter 6.5 rupees. Venus 5.5 rupees. So when we talk of Guru Balam, Jupiter should at least have 6.5 rupees in strength or 100% strength to say it has the required normal strength in a natal chart. Such a Jupiter, a Jupiter having a normal strength in a natal chart should be present in Lagna and aspect the Lagna Lord or associate with the Lagna Lord. Such a presence of Jupiter gives a very good Guru Balam in a natal chart and would help natives come out of troubles when accidents take place, when they face financial troubles, when they fall sick, and when they face any adverse movement in their lives.